we are suffering to the life problems of our life? Why are we born? What if our parents have not brought us to this world? I would not have been forced to do all the material duties and activities like job, studying, relations, responsibility. Also, sometimes we feel that it is better to become an animal, bird, tree. They don't have to do all these activities. We living entities are forced to accept bodies according to our karma or past deed and is pushed into the womb of his mother. Has no idea where he is going, but by the sanction of the Supreme enters into the womb and leads a miserable condition there. But does the suffering ends there? No. After coming out and encountering the material world, the living being begins with its life. Sometimes feels happy and joy and sometimes feels stressed and stays in anxiety due to the obligations they have to follow for the maintenance of their life and enjoying, longing for happiness. The living being is engaged in whether eating, associating with someone, runs after all these but is not satisfied in reality and ends up suffering. Some living beings have such a miserable life that they do not get food properly, lives in poverty and are filled with grief. Some are brutally murdered or some are having disabled bodies. After all this, they finally die. But are we really meant to suffer like this? The answer is no, we aren't. We are the parts of the Supreme Personality of Godhead and thus we are meant to be happy. But the material condition in which we are put into does not allow our happiness to be expressed. Birth, death, old age, disease are the four basic sufferings of the human life. Actually, getting a human life is very rare. After 84 lakhs, that is 8,400,000 of all the types of species, including plants, animals, and much more, we finally get this human form of life. That is why getting human form of life is very rare. But you know what is rarest among that human form of life? That is to become the devotee of Krishna. The main life problems can be solved if we enlighten ourselves with the knowledge of Krishna and remain engaged in the devotional service. We will get out of this cycle of repeated birth and death and go back to our eternal home. Goloka Vrindavan, that is the highest spiritual abode from where we will never come back to this material world again. It's where Krishna eternally resides with his eternal consort Srimati Radhika and all the other devotees. So, if we continue to serve Krishna and render devotional service, we will purify ourselves and then one fine day leave this body for Krishna and go back to our eternal home. Plants, aquatic animals or any other species cannot understand God because their bodies are made in such a way that they are unable to remember Krishna and remain in forgetfulness. They are actually suffering in their bodies and unfortunately cannot even inquire or solve these problems. After so many births, we finally become humans and fortunately are provided with the intelligence to understand God and go back home, back to Godhead, our eternal home. This is only possible if we give up all the other activities of our sense gratification and work hard for Krishna's pleasure. We can truly be happy and get the original happiness. Krishna is the supreme enjoyer and being his part and parcel or being the small fragmented part from the Supreme Spirit, we have the propensity to enjoy. But our eternal constitution provision is that we are the servants of Supreme Being. And that is how we are actually happy. By engaging in the sense gratification or the lusty desires, however, if we act in the accordance of Krishna's desire, we will be happy. Acting in Krishna consciousness means that seeing the hand of Krishna in every circumstance, whether someone criticizes or even praises, or any other difficult situation, we must always see the hand of Krishna. Mahaprabhu descended in this world with all his associates only to bring the fallen souls like us home back to Godhead. Though it is a very simplest method, that is chanting the holy names of Krishna. There is one and only way to be back. Even it is said, Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Eva Kevalam, Kalau Nasti, Eva Nasti, Eva Nasti, Eva Gatiranyatha.